G Vrangshe, Conasatoshiv. Are you well? An Will Shiv Gama. Toshe an Ur, very cold. But an Will Schnachta Agiv. Have you got Schnachta yet? Tasul Agam Gwil Schnachta email on a slua. I hope there's Schnachta email on a slua. In you and Geraldine, nearly there, nearly on Brishular Therma, nearly the midterm break. Agus an data in you is Tenu law is fihe Javi Fiawer. An Taraka ta an, springtime, but Tashe an Ur, very cold. So Tomage Igjanov an Aimsir Láithreach Arish, Láithreach Seachtó Cahir in our Leiswalia. No, not Leiswalia, Aberlam, Gamaleshkel. Okay, we're doing the Aimsir Láithreach. Remember, Rivan Nullag, before Christmas we did on Aimsir Katcha, what happened in Ye, in the past tense. But now we're doing stuff that happens Gach Law, all the time. Gach Law, continuously. And here we have She Brihra, okay. She Brihra San, Aimsir Láithreach, and they're na Brihra Navrilta. Okay. 6 of our 11 Brihra Navrilta. Again, guys, the best thing you could nearly do to learn your Brihra Navrilta is feach or watch on Fuishan Rinna Shauna. Okay, watch the video Shauna made on Shatancha Chacha last week. Tasha Eros. It's brilliant. Okay, she's got all the verbs in that and the actions freshen. But here we have 6. So we have Fi, which is to get, Fek to see, It to eat, Tor to give, Tar to come, Che to go. And Aimsir Láithreach, Fi becomes Fiam, I get. Fek becomes Fecum, I see. It becomes Ihim, I eat. And if you look at all 3 at the top here, they're what we call Brihra Quail, narrow, because they're the IE ones. Ends in IM, ends in IM, ends in IM. These guys are Brihra Lahan, fat or broad ones, because they end in AIN. Okay? Lahan la Lahan, Quail la Quail. See the way I and I go together here? I and I go together here. I and I go together here. Here U and A go together. A and A go together. And well, Chaim is a bit like these guys up top. Okay? Well, it's a little bit different, I suppose, because it's irregular as well. Okay, so yeah, so this is pretty straightforward. Just another thing to note: an voyin, okay, an plus eru, ni plus h. Another thing to note: there's no me in the Aimsir Láithreach, so it's fiam, I get, fecum, I see, ihim, I eat. You don't say ihin me. It's ihim, chaim, I go, tagam, I come, tugam, I give. Okay, but remember Ushin, Irene Ushin, got law. Ihin she, he eats aran. Tugan she, pogdoam agus ger she slán. Chain she squel. Feckin she in the pashti. What is it? Jane and she, ober agus ihin she arashti. Egg am lon. Bin clé shul. Baron she and liroj agus fayin she chul. Clishin she an clegging. Eg bula 3. Tagan she awalya agus chain she ali. Okay. So just a few things to remember there. There's no me is 1. They end in NN. Okay, they end in NN, the Aimsir Láithreach. What else was I going to say? An plus eru, ni plus h. Just little things to remember there. Then, so there's 10 down here. How many will I get you to do? I will get you to do 7. Any 7 of the 10. Okay, any 7 of the 10. Try and get a mix. Don't just pick the first 7. Try and get some an and ni ones as well. Okay, so any 7, but I'd like you to get at least 1 an and 1 ni included in the 7. So if you want to do the first 5 and then pick an an and a ni. Is that correct, Gloria, guys? So 5 shin, go up to 5. That means we get, so it'll be 5 mids. We get Argid Polka Got Shot, and we get pocket money every week. Is that correct, Gloria, guys? Okay, Garamila Mila Magiv, Slán Liv.